Hello, a few weeks ago I got this R378 LNER Class D49/1 Loco, and it's called Cheshire and it's a number 2753. Hello and welcome to Midland Monsell Model Railway, the Triple MR. Now I noticed on the box it's got a little sticker saying with smoke, and I forgot to ask WD Models when I bought it 2 weeks ago what that meant. So I went over to WD Models today, and apparently if I pour some of this, it's called Living Steam Scent Smoke Oil, for creating authentic steam railway scent or scented smoke. And if I pour it down the chimney here, smoke will come out and it'll look more real. So let's get this set up. Right, I'm going to pour a few drops down the chimney just to see what happens. Okay, that's that. Can't really see much. Maybe I'll put some more in. I don't know how much I'm supposed to be putting in. It's starting to leak out. Well, it's now the next day and still nothing has happened. It's kind of leaked onto here and onto here, made it a little bit oily. I don't know if I put too much in yesterday. A little bit disappointed. I mean, this is from the 1980s, I think, apparently, because of the box I showed you, quite an old box. Perhaps I'll give it one last go. Maybe I'll put a few more drops in and see. I'm not sure what's supposed to happen really. Not quite sure how it's supposed to work either. Don't know if you're supposed to let it warm up or anything like that. There's no instructions came with the Loco. I don't really know. A little bit disappointed, but you know, it's fun trying, I suppose. What was supposed to happen, I'll show you. I've got this photograph from this single stone tunnel portal which I've got on here. But as you can see, the smoke is supposed to come from the chimney, give you some idea, but it wasn't really happening. Anyway, you kind of get the idea now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.